With the rover UC magnetometer mode you can detect metal objects near the surface. This mode is used to clean the scan field before performing a 3D ground scan. First, power on the probe. Start the rover UC app and select magnetometer. You will get immediate scan results with acoustic and visual feedback as well as vibration. Move the probe slowly in any direction. Forwards, backwards, to the right and to the left. Keep the probe straight in vertical orientation. For a visual target indication, have a look at the smartwatch. If the signal becomes unstable, stop moving the probe and tap on the ground balance icon or on the trigger on the probe. As soon as the rover UC detects a strong signal, the scan values will increase and reach its peak directly above the target object. The red signals moving up are positive magnetic poles of ferromagnetic objects. The blue signals moving down indicate negative magnetic poles.